Okay, Andrew. So what's going on here now? We left the bathtub. Now we're back over here checking the water bond.
So this green wire connects from the water pipe to the main disconnect. So this meter is saying there's about 176 milliamps of current still on this water bond. Even though we've cut the pipe where it enters the house, it's still touching inside of this, where the neutrals and the grounds are all touching together. We still have neutral current looking for a pathway back home, and it's still one more pathway that it can go. So if that drain over there is a pathway to the earth, it'll go through here to the water pipe, to the faucet, through the person, to the drain, back.
And that also could influence the magnetic fields throughout the whole house.
Any current flowing creates a magnetic field.
Would that get out on the wiring at all, or just say all the six on the pipes on the situation here?
Well, good question. See this pipe right here?
Yeah.
So this is bonded solidly to the frame, and this conduit comes over and goes through the wall. It comes down into an outlet, and these outlets, all this metal will have a neutral continuity with the main panel on it. So anything that's attached to this electrical system, any of this metal has the potential for having current on it as well.
Could this get upstairs, up in the bedrooms, and second story up, or does this depend on how much metal it is traveling?
They do have some circuits that have what's called BX, which is literally what this MC cable is. It's metal cladding.
Yeah.
And we've already tested it in the panels where there is continuity between the neutral and the ground. Even though we pulled the neutral off here when we're doing the testing, there's other places where this metallic sheet is touching a circuit inappropriately, where the actual return current wire, the neutral wire, is actually touching this. So that would create a magnetic field up in those bedrooms.
Yeah. Okay. And depending on the, I guess the power load of the secondary side of the transformer can influence up and down throughout the day, night, afternoons, daytime, what's going on. So by fixing all these booby traps here, we can eliminate the fluctuations.
That's exactly right. Current will take any and all pathways, and of course more and least resistance. So our goal here is, of course, remove any of the water pipes from any direct connection to the neutral, of course. So we're going to move this neutral ground connection out to the meter, and this will be a 4-wire system coming in here where the neutrals are completely isolated from the ground. So that'll add some separation here and reduce the amount of current coming in.
So the thousands of mediation surveys you've done, your clients that have like Lyme or some immune situations, when you've mitigated this, have you seen quite a bit of difference on how they feel?
Yeah, I think it's a foundational aspect to the home by separating this out and removing all the current from the surfaces, and especially where they're wet, is key to any health recovery, because the level of recovery that's required for a person's immune system to finally calm down and get untriggered is extremely low. And unless you take these precautions and reduce these loops in the current and remove it, all the way down to microamp level, that person's just not going to repair. And that's what I find in my clients that do repair, is we're able to be successful at this.
Okay, great.